Hey, welcome back to another episode of Saigon Cribs. We're bringing you right now live alerts. This is our new format where we're going to bring to you hot apartments that are on the market or before they hit the market, where you're going to have exclusive access so you can book the apartments before anybody else knows about it. So let's go into this first apartment. It's really awesome. First of all, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished apartment, and it's only $740. Get this. It's 5 minutes away from downtown District 1, also 5 minutes from Taotian expat community. So it's in between a really nice spot. So if you work downtown and also if you want to be in the mix with the expat community, it's a great location. Let's hop right on and let me show you some of the details. All right, so these are the photos that were just sent to me by the owner. So basically this apartment is brand new and the owner just purchased this apartment from the previous owner. And there's been no tenant that's lived in this apartment before. So one of the great things here is that you would be the first tenant that will move into this apartment. So that also is another bonus and plus to this apartment. These two photos here are of the bedrooms. Both of these look like king size mattresses, between king and king, but this does look like a king size. And also the headboards are really nice and stylish. The owner is super nice. She also speaks English, and also, she's very conscientious. She's someone that would take care of the apartment, and if there's any issues, she would definitely, resolve in a reasonable time. So this, that's also another bonus when you're moving to Saigon. Finding a right apartment, finding the right apartment is nice, but it's also important to find the right owner. So that also is another A+ here with this apartment option. And as well as renting with Saigon Cribs, we're always there for our clients. We're always there to support you, if anything, any support that you need. So that's the apartments here. So those are the photos of the bedrooms. This is showing the view from the window. This is open view, so you don't have any buildings obstructing your view here. And there's a Saigon River view is in the distance there. So, it's a nice open view with this apartment of the interior of the living room and of the dining room area. I see a nice stone table here with brand new custom seatings. We do similar chairs here. And the living room has that fluffy sofa going on there with the round corner edges, which is really cool. And also a round corner edge on the sofa table. And also behind that, you can see on the balcony, there is a washing machine and a table and chair there on the balcony if you would like to go out there to relax. So that's also a nice plus there. Of course, it's a flat screen TV, Netflix ready, so a nice smart TV there as well. All right, so let's go right into the amenities of this apartment. Now, this part kind of blew my mind here because, this is technically an economy apartment. And so, normally when you rent an economy apartment, especially when it's near the city center, they're normally just bare bones. It's just, kind of the 4 walls and basic furniture, and that's it. Maybe a garage to park your bike, and that's it. But this particular apartment has a lot of amenities that I was like really shocked, because especially for this price point at $740 for a 2-bedroom, and you're 5 minutes away from downtown District 1. So yeah, there's a rooftop here which has this awesome view. Look at this awesome sunset view here that you can have, at the end of the day. This is a swimming pool on the rooftop, and I mean, come on, this is really awesome to be able to get that price point that cheap within 5 minutes District 1. It's impossible, really. So this is a real steal. So someone who is on a budget, but you still need to live near downtown, this is it. I'm telling you right now, this is it. Also in the distance there, you can see that's landmark 81. So you're very close. You're 5 minutes to get to downtown District 1. Either first you can go through the tunnel, or you can take the brand new Thiem bridge that goes to the Leighton side of town, which is the kind of the Japanese side of town. Or you can go the other direction and go to Benton District, Ben Homes, Central Park, that side of town, landmark 81. Or you can get to Taotian District 2 also in 5 minutes. So there's like 3 different directions that you could go in from this area. This is what really makes Thiem like a really cool area, because you're kind of in the center of all of that action. You're just not, all the way on one side, you're just right there in the middle. So you can hop to either side, no problem. And that's really cool, especially for an expat. If you want to be really close to Tao Tien area, you also want to be near the downtown action, nightlife, and etc. That's really cool. So that's the swimming pool on top there. There's also a barbecue picnic area. So on the rooftop, you can also host your own private events, your own barbecue party, bring your own beer and, a cooler and a Bluetooth speaker, and, create your own party, basically, is what you have here. So, really nice. And in the view, the Saigon River view and the city view, it's surrounding on all sides up here. So that is a really, really awesome space. This is great. I mean, I'm telling you, for this price point, these are really awesome amenities here. Now, inside the apartment building, they seem to also have an event hall that you can rent for private events. And it seems like they have sort of like a cafe style seating here as well. So, these type of spaces in apartment buildings are rarely used. So I'm assuming you can use this for like co-working space if you just wanted to get out of your apartment and, work somewhere else. And it would be quiet. And I can see it's air conditioned as well. But you can use this space, for private events. It looks like it has a kitchen sink here, nice bar counter. So if you're having a little social or a luncheon, you can, have some nice finger foods laid out or something like that. And that's another side there. And I mean, look at this. This is a proper event hall. I mean, you can really host an event, whether it's like your own private event. Maybe you're doing a business startup and you want to invite some people. You're near downtown, so it's really central. So it makes it a central location to host, any type of event, or even for someone else. You want to throw a birthday party for one of your friends or something like that. So a really nice spot there. I mean, look how huge this is. Like, this is seating roughly about maybe 40 to 50, and standing, I would say at least 60, 70 people that you can host an event for up here, somewhere in that range. And I can see that some of these are balconies as well, so you have a nice smoking section for your party as well. So I mean, these are great amenities for the value, for the price. There's another side there, and they also have a karaoke room. I mean, come on, look at this. This is wild. So you can have your party on the rooftop, and then the after party, like, hey, we're going down and have karaoke. I mean, this is cool. They got the full speakers set up. You got the big flat screen TV. I can see that they have the touch pad for choosing the song right at the front next to the TV. So this is a real legit karaoke room. It's not the most luxurious room, but this is like, again, these are amenities you normally find at a high-end luxury building. Like, you don't normally find this at an economy apartment building. So this is really, really cool. I will be using this every day. I will be in this room every day. Oh man, I'm coming to think I might set up my own living room with a karaoke. Anywho, it does have the air conditioning in there as well. Has a U shape, and just bring your own beer and, some snacks, and you're good. I mean, you're lit. I'm sure it probably has some lights. All right, let's go on to the next one. That does have a gym. All right, so come on. I mean, this is awesome. Again, $740, 5 minutes from District 1. This is crazy. You have a nice fitness gym. It's not the best gym. I mean, I can tell it's not the best, but it does have the basic equipment. It does have your free weight, so you can definitely get a nice workout here. There's a pool table back there in the distance too. And what I've told, I think they've set up a wall to separate. So there's a game room separate from the gym. So this is like when they just opened. There's a balcony there too, I can see. And yeah, this is a decent gym. Yeah, decent. Come on. They also have a golf simulator. This is definitely something you only find in the top luxury complexes. I mean, this is a luxury feature here. This is like Mercedes-Benz features, in a Ford. You know what I mean? Like this is this is cool. I would definitely be here a lot. Man, just grab a bucket of beers and call the guys, let's go. And it looks like this is a serious one that you can actually play like 9 or 18 whole games, in sequence, by players. So I think that's really, really awesome. Look at the screen on the right-hand side. I think this is a real serious simulator right here. And if I'm right, I think this is a balcony on the left side too. So again, another smoking section. So, you can get some fresh air. Maybe you missed your shot. You need to get some fresh air, relieve some frustration. This is the lobby. So, and it's a nice, decent building. It's an economy, but it's not cheap. And also it's new. So, you're getting everything is kind of fresh for you and it's presentable. This is the outdoor area, wide streets. You can have your taxis drop you off. This is at night, and then the parking garage is there. So if you have a motorbike, then it's super easy to cross the bridge. You're going to be in District 1 in a zip. I mean, literally in 5 minutes or less. Parking your garage, you just get a monthly parking pass. And it's about $5 for the monthly parking pass. So also, there's another addition. If you would like to move here, we can find for you a 3-bedroom, potentially 4-bedroom here, options here. But there is a kids playroom in here as well. I mean, it's super amazing to find all these amenities in this, again, economy. So, got the kids play slides, have the ball pits with the net walls. And I saw there's nets in front of the windows as well for safety, the padded flooring. So this is inside of that netted area. So, kind of really safe for kids of all ages. That's awesome. That's really awesome touch there. And this is the view at night. I mean, come on, I would be there right now. I would be right there at that edge right now. And I would be there every night, just at the end of the night, making my final calls and I'll be video calling people right there from that pool, right from that edge right there. That is awesome. That is awesome. This is really a nice gem for a city center apartment. This is looking on the other side direction towards Benton and towards Taotian. So yeah, I mean, this is cool. This is really, really awesome. This is a day shot. I also got a video clip from the owner. So let me hop in, show you that video clip real fast. Just goes through, shows you a couple clips of the amenities and other areas, and then I'll come right back. Awesome. That was great. So thank you for going on this tour with me. If you're interested in this apartment, contact us. This is the first release of this apartment. So this is not even on the market yet. So this is a rare opportunity. You can hop on and rent this apartment and deposit or reserve it early in advance before anybody else gets a chance to see it. It's available on December 7th. There's about 5 more days. There's about 5 more days left. All of the interior design that they're doing and the furnishing and the equipment that they're bringing in. So they're still doing the final touches. It'll be ready to move in on December 7th from the date that this was released. So, hey, if you're interested, give me a call, hit me up on WhatsApp. You can also scan a QR to connect directly and check out SaigonCribs.com. Hey, also leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this new format. We're going to be doing this on a regular basis just to inform and let all the Saigon Cribs family know when these apartments are hitting the market and so that you can act on it right away. So, hey, appreciate you. Thanks, like and subscribe. Peace.